Hello explorers, welcome back. So we are here in Paris, France in the second arrondissement. I hope that I pronounced that correctly. That's basically how they break up their neighborhoods or districts, as we might call them in the United States. And I am being hosted by Blueground, which is a short-term leasing option all around the world. They have 48 different cities with over 1,800 units. So this is the one that we are staying at, and we're gonna take you inside and give you a tour. Okay, so we're gonna go through the first door. This brings us to our residential hallway for where our apartment is. This is not our apartment. This one is. They have a lockbox here where you use a PIN code to be able to get your key out. We've already done this because we have already checked in. I think European doors are so cool. That's the handle. We enter the apartment. It is absolutely gorgeous. And this is just an example of what the kind of apartments that you would get when booking with Blueground, which are short-term leases. So they come fully furnished, fully stocked with everything you need. This bathroom came with shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, bath milk, which I'm not really sure what the difference is, but you've got obviously toilet, came with toilet paper, garbage, little bathroom garbage can, has garbage bags, a washer, no dryer, not in this unit at least, hand soap, literally everything that you need. A heated towel rack. I'm almost positive this is heated, but it's been warm here, so we haven't needed to use it at all. We have been using this to hang our clothes to dry. And then we enter the main space. As you can see, we have all of our luggage because we are actually checking out tomorrow. So I wish I didn't have all this here and you could fully see it with like out my stuff everywhere, but it is what it is. You can still get the idea. Toaster, coffee maker, tea kettle, every kind of cup you could need, coffee cups, like espresso cups, glassware, wine glasses, more wine glasses, literally everything. And then actually over here on the table, every unit comes with a welcome kit. That's gonna have your dish soap, your dish sponge, it's got coffee pods, it's got tea in it, it has garbage bags for the bathroom and the main room, a cleaning cloth, laundry pods. So we do have the, it also has a dishwasher. We don't use the dishwasher. We don't use one at home, so we don't use one when we travel. Good old hand washing. But it does have a dishwasher. It comes with dishwasher pods and everything. And then even the drawers come fully stocked with literally everything that you need to move in. You don't need to purchase a single thing coming here, which is really nice when you're traveling and you're moving around. You can lease these for less than a month and up to, over a year. The really cool thing about leasing it for a year is if you do a 1-year lease, then you're gonna get the option to transfer to different apartments. So say you're like us and you travel full time, and see, we did some cooking while we were here. Microwave, fridge, freezer. Here's the living space. The view is immaculate. While I show you the view, I'm going to continue talking to you about like what the options are. There was Netflix on here. It does have Wi-Fi in, and you'll get all of those codes and everything in an email. This is the view of ours. We've got this nice little courtyard area. Absolutely gorgeous. We have left this open literally as long as we're in the apartment. This has been open. But if you do a 1-year lease, if you're like us and you travel full time or you don't want to be stuck in one city for that full year, you sign a 1-year lease, you stay, say right now we're in Paris, we're going to be here maybe 3 months. And then we want to go maybe to Japan for 2 months. You can stay on that same lease as long as it's at least a 1-year lease. This is the second bedroom. Same thing, it's got these really nice like European windows. You can stay on that same lease and transfer to a different apartment. So you're not breaking a lease. You're not starting a lease over to go to a new city. They have over 48 cities, over 1,800 units. I think it's 1,800, maybe it's 18,000. I will have to double check that. And that way you can continue to travel and just, you're only paying rent for one place, which is really, really cool. So we actually might take advantage of that. This is the wardrobe closet. In there is an ironing board, an iron, a mop, a vacuum, some fans, linens. There's more sheets and stuff for the bed. There's towels, there's washcloths, all that for the bathroom because the bathroom did not really have storage. Couple of mirrors, a desk if you're like us and you need to work while you're traveling, since travel is literally our work. Here we have the bedroom windows. So these two open, that third one does not, or I'm sorry, I think it's the two outer ones that open and maybe the other one doesn't. I don't know. We've only opened this one. Again, that same beautiful view. So this is just one of the examples of the types of units that Blueground offers. We have stayed here for 7 days. 7 nights, so 8 days. And yeah, we're gonna be using them again for future bookings. We wanna keep traveling. We wanna keep going all over the place. They have places in, they have units all over the world. Like I said, we're in Paris, France right now. They also have London, they have New York, they have Tokyo. I believe they've got like Miami. And so, I mean, there are places literally everywhere. So that is this one. Now I'm gonna take you around the neighborhood directly below this unit so you can see the kind of neighborhoods that these units are in.
Just a really good opener.